All right, here we go. So let's keep on going with Zig, and we're building this thing. All right, so we're going to build the Lexer. All right. Before we start to write code, let's be clear about the goal of this section. We're going to write our own Lexer. It'll take source code as input and output the tokens that represents the source code. It will go through the input and output the next token it recognizes. It doesn't need to buffer or save tokens, since there will only be one method, next token. So this is like your typical, very typical tokenizer here, which will output the next token. That means we'll initialize the Lexer with our source code and then repeatedly call next token on it to go through the source code. Token by token, character by character. We'll also make life simpler here by using string as the type for our source code. Guess again, I'm using Zig, baby. There's no such thing as string. What a rookie. Oh, I missed it. What compiler design book? Oh, this is interpreter book, book.com. I'll say this one more time. Go to interpreterbook.com. You choose to buy it. You will literally get, you can get it for 30% less or $20. And that goes all to the author, none to me. Use code ThePrimeGen. Okay? I'm supporting the author. I'm trying to support you. I'll say this one last time. The most consequential class I had in college was writing a compiler. And so, if I can give you guys that opportunity for less and make it more approachable for you, then hell yeah, we're going to do it. Hell yeah, we're going to take your guns. We're going to do it for you, okay? Beto O'Rourke style. We're going to get right in that ass and give you that compiler, okay? Not sure what that means, but I would like to let you know that I hope that you feel good about whatever I just said. Okay? Radical, bro! Both books? You can get both books if you want to. Reading books? Boring. Well, you watch cutie streamers, so yeah, of course, okay? I'm not making cupcakes here, okay? The only time I ever watched QT Cinderella is when she was making a cupcake, so that's why I said that. Okay, I've only watched her stream once. $5 a month! Okay, you know what? I was a little upset. Okay, I was a little... Oh, you get $15 off? Nice. Okay, I get a little upset at QT Cinderella because you know what? How many... Hey, if you're watching, if you hear this, how many years in a row are you going to keep on hot dogging us science and tech people? Okay, I'm out here programming. Look at all these words I put on a screen. Look, there's a waifu in the background. Okay, we're making things happen out here, okay? There's people that actually watch this, okay? Say hi, everybody. Say hi, and you haven't put us in the Streamer Awards, okay? It hurts a little bit. It hurts a little bit. Quit hot dogging. Quit hot dogging us and just let us have our own position in the Streamer Awards, okay? Just saying. Just saying. Okay, you wouldn't just exclude Apex. All right? The difference between Apex and programming streams is that instead of being 17 living in your mom's basement, you're 30 years old using Arch Linux living in your mom's basement, okay? I think that's perfectly acceptable. And yet here we are, you not accepting us. Got him. That's right, Anna Codes. We got him. I remember those days. Got him. All right, here we go. The Lexer. We're going to start the Lexer. Let's go. So it looks like we're going to be doing a little test code right here. So, all right. That's fine. I guess we're doing TDD. So for a compiler or for an interpreter, I think TDD is fine because it's literally like f of x equals y. There's just nothing, there's no wiggle room here, right? It must, when receiving X, it must produce Y. So this is where I think TDD is perfectly fine. Toro code, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I use Arch and I live in my mom's basement. Yeah, it's totally nuts. Totally cool. Okay, totally known. Input and output is known, exactly. This is my time, this is where I think TDD shines. A small mistake, literally everything breaks. Yes, exactly. What's the difference between a compiler and an interpreter? In these days and age, there is no difference, okay? People call there's a thing called TSC that people execute every single day that stands for TypeScript compiler. It compiles nothing, okay? So traditionally, a compiler is something that takes not like machine level code and makes something that can run on a machine. That would be like a compiler. Takes some human format to some machine format. An interpreter would be to take some human format it turns it into logical chunks, an AST effectively, and then it runs the AST. That would be an interpreter. So transpiler is a very interesting term because technically a transpiler is a compiler, right? It's the other way. Like a transpiler is like a rectangle and a compiler is like a square, right? Because a transpiler just means it takes it from one format to another. And so guess what? Machine code is from one format to another. So you could argue that a transpiler is also a compiler. I think if you got really technical, you could say that a transpiler is something that takes it from one type to another type, barring machine code, right? Crafting interpreter disagrees with you. An interpreter compiles and then interprets at runtime. I know, but I think that's an incorrect technical definition. When it comes to compiling, that's just transpiling, right? You're taking it from one intermediate format to another intermediate format because that intermediate format cannot be run without a runtime. Lithium, my alerts are down, and I'm genuinely sorry. I'm genuinely sorry, Lithium. I just turned back up the alert, so if you'd like to give 20 more subs, I will be glad to pretend I was scared.
Welcome to Costco.
Thought I'd try.
Love you.
I thought I'd try. I thought it was a good one. Okay, I thought it was funny. All right, let's get going. I feel so used. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. $5 a month. I'm sorry. Anyways, all right, so let's look at this. This should be pretty straightforward. So all we have to do is create. Okay.
Oh, that scared me.
Oh, no. Thank you, Lily. I wasn't ready for that one. Okay, okay. My bad. All right, Lithium, you got me? No, that was not fake. There's nothing fake about that one. That actually was terrifying. Were you not just there? That was absolutely terrifying. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, Lithium. The 40 gifted subs. That is entirely too much. You've done enough. Sit down for the rest of the week, the month, the year, if needed. Thank you very much. Oh, fuck.
Oh, that scared me.
Oh, what the hell is... You guys are all saying WTF? I was like, what are they talking about? Oh my goodness. Okay, that's a full rack. That's
Welcome to Costco.
Those are
I love you.
tickled bitties, okay? Okay, beachfront solutions. I get it, okay? You're living that beachfront lifestyle. And I would like to say thank you so much for that. I cannot believe that happened. Thank you for the $100. $5 a month. 100 times. Thank you. Appreciate that. Nightshade dude, thank you. Moose Booty Boy. It's been Moist Booty Boy. It's been so long. I hope you're doing well. 5 bangs missed. Let's go. Damn, 100 subs. Appreciate that. Really. Real talk. Thank you very much. How can you have this many viewers when there aren't even 1,500 developers in the world? Robots. Mostly robots. I'm doing well. Good to see you too. It's been a long time. Money flying between subs and books. Yeah, I know. Hey, genuinely appreciate that beachfront solutions. Let's go. All right, so let's get back to this. I really want to do this. Let's do this, babies. Let's do this, baby boys. Anna Co's gonna be like, stop talking like that. All right, so here we go. We need to just test next token. All right, here we go.
Welcome
here
to
we
Costco.
go, baby boys.
I love you.
Let's just copy. Actually, do we even need to copy this thing out? What's the code? Here, let's just take in this input and do this. There we go. Hey, again, thank you very much, Nightshade Dude. Thank you for, hey, Nightshade Dude, you didn't have to gift one to Moist Booty Boy, okay?
Welcome to Costco.
His booty's
I
already
love you.
moist, okay? He has everything he needs.
Oh, that scared me.
He has everything he needs. Okay, this is a little unusual. I would just like to let everybody know that this is extremely unusual what's happening. Can we all just take a step back, okay? Alex? Is this supposed to be the hexy Alex? The sexy Alex? Is that what you're trying to say to me? Because that's what I'm picking up right now, okay? Why don't you go?
Oh, that scared me.
This is so inappropriate. You guys want to see my feet? Is this what this is? Is this supposed to be? Is this like a feed stream now? Is that what you want to look at? Are you trying to do that Pokemon thing again to me? Okay.
That's security.
Fine. Cool, Sax. There you go, huh? Look at that gap. Look at that foot. Look at it. Why is it white in the middle? I don't get it. Why are my feet yellow? Do I have jaundice? What are you? Why are you looking so white? It looks so white in the camera. I don't look that white, do I? Do I have white feet? What is this? How white am I? Okay, there's something wrong with the camera color because that just doesn't make any sense, okay? Trust me, they're super tanned. I'm not gonna look. Don't worry, I'm not gonna look them. Okay. Do they look dead? Do I have dead feet? What happened? What is wrong? Look at that. Look at that size. What is that? What is this? I can fit 2 fingers. I have 2 finger gap. I have 2 finger gap. Okay. Foot job ready. Yeah, I can foot job. Good. Twitch is just allowing anything these days. I don't even know what's happening. Thank you very much, Soulburn.
I love you.
You can peel 6 bananas with that one. Hell yeah. Anna Codes, I hate it here.
Welcome to Costco.
I literally thought of
I
Anna
love
Codes
you.
right afterwards. I'm like, she's gonna hate me. What am I doing with my life? Cool Sax 98. Thank you for the 20 gifted subs. Appreciate that. Gip 2000. Just graduated with a degree in electrical engineering. Thanks for the streams. No, thank you. Love your feet. Cheetos feet. Dude, I don't know what's wrong with my feet, but I'm going outside immediately. I wonder what fits in that gap. I don't know. About 2 fingers. Consent? Is that a butt consent? Please do zig job, not foot job. I can work on it.
Welcome
Dumba
to
L,
Costco.
thank you for giving
I
something
love
to
you.
Anna. Make her feel welcomed around here. Hear me out. $1 million idea. OnlyFans, only toes. Could be good. It could be good. Def don't need the fetogen. Just wanted to support anyone exposing script kiddies to actual programming languages. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Genuinely, I appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. Really, thank you, Dallin P. I hope that you appreciate life. Why 6 fingers? I don't even know what that even means, to tell you the honest truth. All right, so let's call this thing Lexer, because everything else is called Lexer in here, and it kind of feels weird that I had one called Token and the other one's called Lexer. There we go. Is that
Welcome
about
to
right? I mean, I
Costco.
guess I could technically
love
put
you.
everything in. I don't really like to do things in mod files, and I really don't like to do things in index files. I find them mostly super annoying. Whatever. All right, so let's start first with TypeScript, okay? So unfortunately with TypeScript, we have to do this whole like tests like directory thing, and then we have to go in here and we have to do like lexer.ts, and then we have to save that, and we have to import. I don't even know what we're gonna import from Lexer.
Welcome
Let's
to
go.
Costco.
Test,
I love
test, get next token, right? And function. There we go. I did those backwards. There we go. And let's, hey, why aren't you undoing? There we go. Do one of these, do one of these. My beautiful wife's here about to ask me a question in 3, 2, 1. Question. I'm not super hungry. I had a egg and sausage thingy. I could use a smooth though. What is it? A smoothie? Yeah, I'd put a smoothie in.
That's security.
I just heard your beautiful voice. Someone just gifted 20 subs, I believe. Oh, by the way, people believe you're not real. Would you like to slip a singular finger onto the camera? Who has at least prove that you have a finger? Look at that. That's a hand. Would you like to shake my foot? Okay, because they're kind of cold and clammy, but I think it'd be really cool if you shook my foot. Yeah. Nope, she's saying no. That's a no. CGI? Reasonable? AI? All right. Love you. She's not real. She's not real. Approves it. Vim users have a wife? Yeah, I do. Okay. To be fair, I did find my wife before I started using Vim. Okay. Lithium, thank you for the 20 gifted subs. Appreciate that. Dude, Nightshade, dude, I don't know. Shut up. Vim users equals sexy every day. Yeah, that explains a lot. Yeah. Hera, Sven, Senv, thank you for the follow and the brand new Twitch Prime. Zigazig, yeah. Hera Hau, and thank you, Lithium. All right, let's do this, people. Oh, that's why I'm single. Yeah, I actually found my wife after I started using Vim. Facts, because Vim makes you a Chad. All right, there we go. So we have our input. Let's go like this. Const input equals that. Fantastic. All right, we have our input. Now, I'm going to add this to our little list of items. Going to jump back here, and let's go. Export function, get next token. Bam, bam, bam. And this is going to return token. And we kind of need, where are we going to put this thing? Because here's the problem I have right now is that we have a token literal. We have this, but we need to keep state. And so let's go like this. Let's go class. How does Thorsten suggest doing this? See, he does have like an L, right? He does take an L. He's going to create a struct. Yep, there you go. We're going to create a struct to do all this. New input. There we go. And it's going to return an L. The L is some sort of thing with the word get next token on it. Okay, so he's kind of expecting the exact same thing. Class, is that allowed in JS? Yes, because I'm a normal JS user. I'm not some sort of hipster who thinks they're doing functional programming. And by functional programming, I mean they just use functions for everything. Hey, dude, I'm totally not doing a class here, dude. Classes are terrible. Okay, create tokenizer. Definitely not doing that. Definitely not doing that. No way. No way, San Jose. Definitely didn't just create a class here. Definitely, nope, let index equals 0. Definitely, nope, those aren't properties. Those are closure values. See, that's closure value.
Welcome to Costco.
It's like a class, and it has properties, but it's just slower, and it uses more memory because there's no probably not a lot of optimization done here, okay? Trust me, this is not a class. There's not a class here. There's no classes, okay? There's no
Welcome
classes.
To Costco.
Not a single class.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Okay, I'm just not a zealot. You know, I'm just not a zealot, and I recognize the fact that things can simply, like, exist, and it just makes it easy. Okay? Like, I'm just not going to do that because that's just shitty version. Okay? That's just shitty version class. That's all you're doing. There we go. Let's see. There we go. Boom. Scala devs use classes, and that's okay. You can use classes. I really don't think anyone actually cares that much. Const tokens equals, here we go. We're going to go through this. We should have token type equal. We should have token type plus, left parent, right parent, left squirrely. Let's go, Copilot. Copilot is just coming in so good. Tell me this was not the most beautiful Copilot thing, okay? There we go. It really, private IDX or IDX. I just use TypeScript, right? I just use TypeScript. Best use of Copilot. How is it so smart? Nobody knows. Obviously, this is general intelligence, okay? You can tell. I love me some Copilot on my current project. It writes about 70% of my code. It writes about 80% of my boilerplate and nothing else. So like what I consider boilerplate is this. This is logical boilerplate, right? Because really, when you think about it, I wrote that. That is the code. I'm restating the exact same thing differently. And so to me, this is where Copilot shines because it's able to make those two jumps. And that's where it's really cool to use Copilot. Anything beyond that, and it just starts going downhill like wild. Okay, new tokenizer input, fantastic. I love this. Yeah, I guess we're going to have to import it from that. I hate doing those kind of imports, but whatever. Let's go like that. Boom, boom, boom. And yeah, so now we can go, let's see, let's go. Ooh, tokens for each. Oh, I like this. Please tell me you're going to just do it. Expect. Boom. I like it. I like seeing it. I like seeing it. Go here. Let's take this and go npm id jest, ts jest, and types jest. I think I got all those right. Did I get all those right? That's why it is called Copilot. Yeah. Time to switch careers. Nah. Asher Samuel. I almost named my firstborn Samuel. I think Samuel was on the list. I always like that name. Jest with TS is the worst. Yep. CRUD apps are very predictable. CRUD apps are extremely easy to write. If you just write CRUD apps, you should consider not writing CRUD apps anymore because Copilot's coming for that ass. Okay. My children are called Tommel and Jason. We're considering Samuel. Samuel's a great name. Or Edging Buffer. Yeah, I like Edging Buffer. How old is your oldest? 9. Niners. Why not 4 with iters instead of 4 each? There is no such thing as an iterator in JavaScript. Okay. Well, I mean, there's iterators, but they suck. They're stupid iterators, right? So you could do like 4 const token in tokens, right? But this thing kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm like super not impressed by this thing because iterators are kind of doo-doo and they're kind of. You should just use a for loop, a traditional for loop. Okay, just do a traditional for loop. Should I build a compiler? That's why we're doing it. For each all day. I use traditional for loops in all my applications. How old are you, Primogen? You're an inspiration. I'm 36 years old. Okay. Types or interfaces? Types. I don't do interfaces generally in. I don't do interfaces in TypeScript. They're a kind of a disaster. I do not see a singular reason why you should do an interface. Can someone give me a good reason to use an interface in TypeScript? I know of one reason, but I think it's a really bad idea. What's my social security number? Oh, 69, 69, 69, 420. Methods, extending a class, none of these are required. Reuse in other places, still not required. All that can be done by type. Declaration merging, boom. That's the one right there, declaration merging. So that's the only one that's the technical difference between the two that I know of, is that one. Overwriting a lib, exactly. So that's called interface or declaration merging. And so the only time you should provide interfaces as opposed to types is that you can do interface merging or whatever they call it, declaration merging. That's the only time you should do it. Everything else is just awful. Right? Because you don't need the, let's see, of tokens, not in tokens. Oh, do I have in tokens? Oh, yeah. Of. There we go. Now that we've done that, let's go like this. NPX Jest. I'm just not going to do it. Would you like to do that? Yeah. Oh, crap. I've already screwed that up. Try it again. Would you like to do this? Yes. Would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. Let's go Node. Do you want to add coverage reports? No. Do I want Babel? Yes. Do we want to clear out this? No, we're not going to use mocks. Hopefully we have 0 mocks. Mocks are, the moment you start mocking, I just have I feel like the moment you start mocking, things just go really weird. I always feel like I've jumped the shark at mocks. Like every time I start doing mocks, something naughty starts happening in my life. All right, there we go. We got that one. Everything's looking good. And let's see, npm run test. There we go. All right, let's see what happened here. Just failed to parse the file. Oh shit, I'm just bad at programming. Okay, I didn't realize that. Out of the box, Jest supports Babel, which will transform your file by default. Blah blah blah. Okay. I'm not even sure what the problem. Honestly, I have no idea what they're even saying. Where is my syntax error? Can anyone see a syntax error here? What? Wait, what? Oh, yes. I have to go like this. I forgot. I initialized Jest to be able to use TypeScript, but I forgot that you have to go down to preset. Go down here, go here, and go TS Jest, right? Then you can go in and run it. You have to do that first. There we go. Perfect. Not syntax, not just set up for TS, right? Yeah, I forgot. It's set up for TS, just not set up for using TS. All right, I've never set up Vitest. How do we set up Vitest? Vitest. Should I do that? Should we use that? Yeah, that's what the error said, yeah. Oh, hi, Prime. Oh, hi. Zish versus Bash opinions? None. Use what you want to. I don't care. Vitest is great. Just install and all done. Okay, so npm I... give them the D, that big old D, boys, and then go Vitest. Is there types? Do I need to install types? I like Zish. I use Zish. I could care less what you want to use. You know what I mean? There's not an official release of Vitest yet, if that's something to care about. I don't care about that. Testicle, they did a code pill. They already had that. It was called Testacular.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Testacular becomes Karma, I believe is the name of it. Suggested to rename the project. I'm okay with a solid pun in conversation, but it's really hard suggesting using testacular in many, many settings, or at least stick to test spec / testacular combined words and quit talking about balls. By the way, for those that are wondering, 2013 is when software engineering lost their ability to become funny. By the way, if you're wondering what happened, the I might be offended start. This is where it all started. 2013. It all happened here, as you can see. Lots of talk, and so they chose to go with Karma. Karma's a bitch. I'm offended. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you're offended. I hope that you feel okay. 10 years ago, what do you find is better for making complex server Zig or Rust? I've never done a complex server. I've done all my Zig on stream. Right after Occupy Wall Street. I know, Occupy Wall Street, testacular to Zig or to Karma. Right? All right, here we go. So everything looks good. I don't know what that is. That's the second time I've seen that. There we go. All right, so this looks pretty good. We have everything working. We have this right here, so we need to actually, implement that now. So we'll go through, we'll get this, and then we'll do this. Okay, so let's see. Of course, test fails. Yep. So we have to create a Lexer. Okay, this should have an input, position, read position, and current character. Interesting. Okay, so that's what they want us to have in here. So let's do that. So we have a position. We have a read position. Whoa. There we go. And then we have a character, right, which is going to be a string in this case. And then what was the other one they had? Oh, yeah, they had input, which we already have. Okay, fantastic. Yes, 2013 was also the dongle controversy. No. Dongle controversy was before 2013. Was it 2013? It's 2013, 2012. Does anyone remember the dongle controversy? Type 1 in the chat if you have any idea about the dongle controversy. Type 1 in the chat if you know about it. 2 in the chat if you've never heard of it. 2 if you've never heard of it, and 1 if you know about it. Because I know this chat's a lot of Zoomers. Hey, thank you. Thank you, babe. All right, for those that don't know what the dongle controversy was at a Python conference. Effectively what happened is 2 dudes were sitting in a chair having a private conversation, and we're like, yeah, oh, look at this. I got my dongle right here. Better put my dongle in my keyboard. Making some stupid jokes about dongles, right? Some sort of pun. And the person behind them didn't like it and posted that on Twitter. She also happened to be a DevRel. Then a bunch of devs got angry. But then a bunch of other people got angry. And so the 2 devs that were joking to each other about dongles, both of them got fired. And then the person who reported it, the girl that tweeted about it, says she was a DevRel, and now she is no longer considered very great to be around because everyone's all upset about it, and it's just like a high point of controversy. She gets fired. Like, nobody had a good time. Everybody lost. Donglegate, everybody lost. And now look now we have Karma instead of Testacular. I believe I've retold the story like fairly correct. Right? I believe I have it correct. Now, here's the deal. I would totally get it if those guys were giving a presentation and they're just going deep on the dongle. I'm just saying, I get that. Okay? I get that. My water isn't transparent. It's a smoothie. I get that. But if 2 people are just having a conversation in a chair, like, unless if it's like something pretty inappropriate, you should be able to dongle all you want, right? If I'm going to make a dumb dongle joke, I'll make a dongle joke. There was also dudes who had said I'd fork her repo. Yes, okay. Yeah, so you start, that's where you start getting you get into the dangerous. Yeah, it always depends on the environment, though. That's where you start getting into the dangerous territory. If you're just making dick jokes, you're making dick jokes. But the moment you make a joke against somebody, now you got to play the crowd. Now it's like a total, like, are you a comedian on a stage? Well, if you're not a comedian on a stage, now you got a different set of rules that apply to you, right? It's a little different, right? Hope you don't have any merge conflicts. I can't remember. That's what I remember. I don't remember the Alforker repo one. It's okay. Comedy is most certainly dead. Comedy is having a really hard time right now. Comedy is actually, I think that would be really hard. It's actually one of my big worries because I operate in a very comedian-like lifestyle because that's just who I've always been. I thought I was going to be a comedian, and so I always wonder if I'm going to get, canceled. All right, here we go. So let's see. Let's do this. First helper method is called readChar. Should make the usage of these fields easier to understand. If read position is greater than the length of the input, character equals nothing, the null character. If, else, the character equals read position, okay? Position equals read position equals 1. Okay, so this makes sense because this allows us to peek, I think. Have you tried being funny? I'm not funny. I get that. Trust me. Good joke. Okay, good joke. Private readChar. So let's just do this one right now, which I assume we have to return. We don't have to return. It's a void method. It's actually, that one mutates state, right? And this one, what is it? It's just we read a position. Yeah, okay. So if, oh my goodness, do you see this autocomplete? I wonder if this has been done before. I wonder if this code exists on the internet anywhere. I wonder. Right? All right, we're going to type it out anyways. Copilot disable. There we go. And so let's just type this out because it feels better, right? So if read position is greater than or equal to this dot input dot length, well, guess what? Then this dot character equals, we're going to put it at as the 0 character, right? Is that what we're supposed to do? Let's put it as the empty character. That should be empty, right? Else this dot character equals this dot input, this dot read position, and then go this dot read position plus equals 1, and this dot position equals this dot read position. Boom. Does that make sense? Yeah? Poor bro pilot, yeah. How do you jump from one language to another? Learn your languages. Right? Real talk. Doesn't TypeScript have chars? You can actually have a char in TS, but it's cursed. Can you actually have a char type? Maple Leaf, would you have some sort of char type where you have to, like, could you do something like type char equals like 0, 1, 2, all the way up to like 255? Is that how you would have a char type? Like, how would you have a char type in TypeScript? Okay, char type. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, okay. So it depends if you want the char int value or if you want the char string, but only. That is so cursed. So you can have type if you're wondering. Maple said, yeah, right. So you can keep on defining all the different chars. You gotta include the Unicode bullshit. Well, that's the thing is a char doesn't have Unicode, right? So char is usually 8 bits. So you'd only have to include the first 250 characters, 255 characters, which number 30, everybody's favorite, record breaking space. Come on, record breaker. Anyways, there we go. Use char codes and stick to numbers. Someone should make a package for that. Oh, that's such a good one. Types, characters. All right, so there we go. This looks pretty good. So we have all of this. There we go. So we have read characters. Depends on the language. Yep. All right. Let's see. The purpose of readChar is to give us the next character and advance our position in the input. Okay, nice. The first thing it does is to check whether we have reached the end of the input. If that's the case, it'll set it to 0, which is the ASCII code for null character. Nice. Okay. I guess technically, should I just do the 0th character? All right. Does that count? Prime should fart on stream. Okay, Rusty Dev. No, I saw the spids. I saw that. Use buffers. Forget strings and chars. Strings are for the weak. Good luck. Buffers aren't all that great in Node. There's some things that are annoying about them. Why? Let's see. Hold on. Let's keep on going. Let's see. All right, perfect. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's keep on going. After that, L position is updated. Yep, and Yep. Okay, good, because read position allows us to peek if we want to. Ooh, do you guys like that? I think this is the only good song in the entire playlist on this one. Let's see. While talking about readChar, it's worth pointing out that the Lexer only supports ASCII characters instead of the full Unicode range. Why? Because let's keep things simple and concentrate on the essential parts of our interpreter. Yeah, it'd be boring to do. Like, right, this is a really good book because it just concentrates on the points, not on the details, right? Let's use readChar in our new function. Okay, there we go. There we go. We're going to readChar once, and then we're going to return it. Interesting. Okay, so the constructor, what they're saying, should have this readChar. There we go. Code points. Yeah, code points. Can you zoom the book a little? There we go. Better. So there we go. We're going to readChar. We're going to do this. This is looking good. Ooh. Oh, I like this song. There we go. Okay, so we have this, which means that we should just have a big switch statement coming up, right? Get next token. It's just going to keep on reading until it gets this, right? So we're going to keep on doing that. But if it's case 0, token equals liter, end of file, there we go. Okay, so we have no identifiers or anything. We just have it as simple as possible. All right, this seems pretty easy. Let's go like this. Let's go switch. Ooh, this is kind of interesting. Let's see. They don't have it yet. There we go. That's what I thought. Okay, so we're going to go like this. Switch this dot character. And we're going to go like this. Case. Right, and then we're going to do this. And we're going to need to return. And this thing should... I hate doing returns and switch statements, by the way. I was hoping this would just be easy. Create token. Oh, I don't have Copilot on. That's right. Okay, Copilot, you can come back on now. All right, so there we go. Token type squirrely, this character, perfect. Let's do it again. Yep, let's do that. See, this is where Copilot's great. I don't want to have to type any of this shit because that'd just be super annoying, right? Can we just all agree that no one wants to write this stuff? Give me that semi. Yeah, give me that plus. Give me that equals. What are you gonna give me? End of file. Nice job. Anything else? Default. Let's throw new error. Unhandled token. There we go. Boom. By the way, hey, want to see something super cool? Y'all want to see something super cool? Give me a semi, Prime. You just hit tab a bunch, and that's it. You want to see something super cool? Watch this. You see that? You see this? Maple Leaf, you might like this a lot. You see that? Now watch. We're going to jump over here, and look at this. I now know that we have a throws problem as well. So not only do I get the definition here, I also get to know about the throws. Let's go. I love that. I personally love that because I think knowing if your function throws is really useful. So JS doc, yeah, it's a JS doc feature, which I'm very happy about. So awesome, right? I guess you only end it like that, right? There we go. Does it prevent compiling? No, but it does let you know. Not throwing is better. This is JavaScript. There is no such thing as not throwing, right? That's not like a thing you do. You know what I mean? All right, so this should technically work if I'm not mistaken. What is this? Why does this keep happening? Oh, I know what's happening. Kill -9%. Whoopsies. Dang it, that was my interpreter. I didn't mean to do that. I knew there was something else behind me. Damn it, I just killed my interpreter book. Now I have to do that whole, like, tar latest, no, not tar, unzip. Oh my goodness, it doesn't even remember my unzip command. Downloads. What is it called? It was called writing an interpreter. And let's go like this. Let's put it here. Let's put it in a, let's see. Let's put it in, under book. Make dir. Hold on. Do I just go like that? Yeah. All right, let's move writing an interpreter. One back to book. And then let's xdg open book writing an interpreter pifta. There we go. Oh, this is a little annoying. Where is the I can't remember how to change this thing into night mode. There we go. All right, we skipped all this, blah, blah, blah. Chapter 1, we'll go through here. We'll go to here, and there we go. So we got the Lexer, we got all this. We got to read the position. We're going to return the token, and that should be new. This should be enough to be able to do this. Nice, they even have a new token function. Oh, then we got to do this, then we got to readChar. Ah, yeah. So I got to go like this, and so I got to go let token equals token. Token equals this. Talk equals, there we go. Where are you? I guess I could have found and replaced that one, but I don't know why. This dot read character, boom. Oh, shoot. I just realized I forgot to do a break. Gosh, I hate that. All right, there we go. And then now let's return talk. Perfect. Imagine having to use a break. I know. We're just trying to follow the book, okay? We're just trying to follow the dang book. All right, there we go. So I should be able to... I just closed the book again. This is why I actually had it on the other side. Nice. All right, so I should be able to go npm run test. Yay! It passes. Okay, cool. So let's do this again. Except for now, let's do it in Rust. Let's rust them nuts. Config test mod test. Boom. Let's zip that up here, and let's go test. Ooh, I do like the song too. Get next token. Let's go like that. Let's have a result, a resquirt. Let's do that, and let's have nothing in here. Boom. Do one of those. Jump over here. Cargo add anyhow. Let's go. LSP restart with an A. Go in here. Use anyhow. Result. Boom. Let's go. And yank that. Paste that. Put it in here. All right, so now that we have that, let's go in here and go impl token. Oh, we don't need a token. We need a Lexer. We need to have a struct Lexer, people. We need to have a Lexer. We're going to have a position, and that's going to be a U size. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's have a read position. Yes. Oh, this is going to be interesting because Rust enforces what's it called? It enforces UTF-8. So this is kind of interesting, right? So I'm curious how I'm going to do this, right? Do we want a char? What do we want here? I don't even know what the type is here, right? Do we want this thing as a string? I don't know if we want this thing as a string, right? I actually may want this thing as a vector of U8. Yeah. Probably a little bit easier. Yeah. Give us the playlist or the song name. I don't know the song name. This playlist is just simply Miss Monique 37. I want to see the Primogen rewrite this Lexer in a regex. I know it's gross, but it'd be fun to watch. No. Here's the deal: is that you can. I can't remember if you can fully express a tokenizer in a regex. I can't remember. I think you can. Because it's a push-down automata, right? And push-down automatas are the level of language you need to describe a
Welcome to Costco.
tokenizer. I can't remember.
Love you.
Thank you, Exo. Appreciate that. If you run a disown, those errors would stop showing up in your terminal. It's been like 15 years since I've thought about this type of talk. And I haven't, you just sounded like the doc say. I just haven't, I have no idea.
Welcome to
NFA.
Costco. I love you.
I thought it was DFA. I know you love Rust. I do love Rust. I should have joined the Rust Twitch Rivals Prime. Should have. If they would have let me, it would have been awesome. All right, so we're going to do this, and let's go like this. Let's dap that. Ooh.
Welcome to Costco.
Actually, we don't need to create because
you.
the thing is, it's already something that you can create.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Hey, thank you very much, Cube Twong and Lee Gogo. Thank you for the brand new back-to-back Twitch Prime. Let's go. Okay, I appreciate that genuinely. All right, who's gonna do it? Who's going to the first one-on? Well, you know what? Actually, you're right. You're right. I can do a little double one-on-one. We call this a little menage a trois. Karen pulled the plug on me. I don't know what happened. Okay, I was like in the middle of a soliloquy. Okay, I had a whole thing going.
Welcome to Costco.
And it was
I love
fantastic.
you.
And now look at me. Thank you very much, Hugo. I appreciate that. We had something happening there. But now I guess we can't have anything happening. Apparently eye contact. Idiocracy was such a good movie. Yes, it was.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Yeah, woot, woot. Hey, thank you, Raphael. I appreciate that. Cool. Hey, cool. Cool, dog. Hey, dog. Cool. Hey, why, Maul?
Welcome
Why?
to Costco.
Why?
I love you.
All right, here we go. Let's go like this. Let's return, bam, and ooh,
Welcome
why?
to Costco.
Ooh, wrong
I love
language
you.
there. Thank you very much, Valenti Marco. Appreciate that, brand new. Kev Jumbo, shit.
It turns on your
14
bad
months, man.
feelings into good
My
feelings.
mustache
It's
has
a
been
nut.
going straight up my nostrils today.
Get me the meat.
I
and
do
give it
not
to me
understand
raw.
what's happening. Thank you very much, Arndog, for that one gifted sub. And then Azadolene coming in with the 5 gifted subs. Thank you very much. Let's go. Appreciate that. We're now tier 2 thrust truck. What's the name? What is it called? It's called not a thrust truck. What the hell is it called? Is it a fuck truck down to Pound Town? What the thing's called? Hype train. Hype train. It's called a hype train. That's what it's called. That's what it's called. I thought it was called something completely different. A thrust truck? Yeah, the fuck truck down to Pound Town. You never heard that? Totally
Welcome to
normal.
Costco.
Okay, that's why I have a
I love you.
snowplow, because snow ain't the only thing we're plowed around here, boys. I have a garden. I plow my
Welcome to
garden as well.
Costco.
Okay.
I love you.
Okay. No, we don't take the L train to Clown Town, son. I'm taking the wrong vehicle. Tom, ITG, let's do this and smackalope. Oh, man, another back-to-back. I can handle this. All right, I know Karen tried to stop me the last time we did. Okay, come on, Karen. Just let me have my menage a trois in the bathroom. Okay? Boss, new hire. Management, okay, you don't know French? Yeah. What? Doesn't mean that, Karen. Karen, please be professional. That is disgusting.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Thank you, Fat Dong. I appreciate that. I would just like to let you know that I've always wished I had a Fat Dong around here in the startup, and I'm glad that we now have one. Thank you. Let's go. This reminds me of the video on YouTube where it had like 50 people coming out of a tiny car. Oh, there.
Welcome to Costco.
That's actually pretty
I
clever.
love you.
All right, Backwards Spy. Welcome, Backwards Spy. You just followed Backwards Spy. I recognize the name, but I can't remember why I recognize your name. You must have just followed yesterday. The name got me a job, by the way. Thanks, parents. Yeah. Reasonable. Is this song by Seal? Shut up, Warren. This song is a banger, and I want you to accept the banger nature of this song. Okay? I want you to accept it. All right, here we go. Lexer. We got to have position
Welcome
as
to
0.
Costco.
Read post.
I love
Oh
you.
my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait, why isn't it doing that? It should give me read position as an autocorrect. There we go. See, now that's the hardest part about mixing up languages, okay? That's honestly where
Welcome to
everything goes wrong.
Costco.
That's
I love
honestly
you.
where everything goes wrong. What is this? What is into bytes? Where's my server? Rust Analyzer, where the hell are you? You're two active clients not attached to this buffer. That's okay. What did I just do? What did I just do? Why is this stuck? Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Okay, I've somehow screwed up Vim. I'm not sure what I did, but I gotta show TJ that. TJ's gonna be like, how the hell did you even manage to screw something up so much as that? All right. I'm not even sure, casual Vim. I'm not sure what just happened there. I think I know how it works, but also I don't know how that works. Vim moment. Hey, Vim guy, fix it. You're a Vim guy. Okay, where the hell is my server? All right, you know what? We don't need a server. Rust string into bytes. I don't. H. Give me the. Show me your standard. Into. Just show me. Yeah, show it to me, girl. What is this one? What is bytes? Bytes. Let's see. Converts the string into a bytes vector. Bam. That's the one I wanted. Into bytes. Perfect. I thought it would be a conversion because it has the word into, but I wasn't sure if that was the case. This guy's dirty AF. All right, there we go. Perfect. Let Lexer equals Lexer new. Really, you're gonna really make me do this. Let stir equals string from. Let's go here, and let's go here. Wait, where am I? I'm on this one, aren't I? There we go. Lex, and go string from Piao. I mean, I guess I could just go like this, actually. You know what? It probably looks nicer to go like this. Input. Dot into. Yep. I guess I just don't get an LSP. I guess Rust doesn't want to be an LSP today. Yeah, I said Lex. Okay. I keep saying Lex because I'm still waiting on Lex Friedman to invite me on the Lex Friedman podcast. Whatever, Lex. Okay. I don't need to be on your podcast. Okay. I never even wanted to. It's stupid to think about when you think about it. All right, anyways, let's go like this. Let tokens equals, what is it? Vec bang, and let's go that, and let's go token. Really, you're really not gonna let me do this, are you? Okay, I don't know why. I honestly
Welcome
have
to
no
Costco.
idea why
I love you.
my LSP is not returning anything. I know why my LSP is not returning anything. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This whole time I'm such a dummy. It was never included in my file list. It's one of those things that the analyzer does that's kind of frustrating, is if it's not included in your file list, Rust Analyzer literally cannot understand your file at all. And so it doesn't matter if you're in VS Code or anything. You just get full nothing. Yeah. All right, wrap it in a okay. Give me the super. Goes full analyzer.
Welcome
Yeah.
to Costco. I love you.
Now, is it a token? The enum's defined here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm looking. I'm ready. Return. Okay. Bam bam. Okay. What is it? What's the problem? Import super Lexer. Import. Let's use this thing. And why aren't you? Where's your autocomplete? Okay, good. Here, do it for me. I'm a tab engineer. I tab that Tab it. Ooh, yeah, tab it. Oh my goodness, hold on. Is it called L brace? L. Squirrely. Please. Please. That is offensive that I called it something else. Did you see that? Pronounce analyzer 3 times. Analyzer, analyzer, analyzer. Hit the knee. Prime is what happened when Tabuscus and Miami Vice have a baby. Tabuscus. Into what? Into whatever it expects, right? So you may not realize what into does. Into infers the type. So the type right here, if you look at that, is a type string. So by inferring that type, what it is actually doing is it actually goes, okay, into needs to become something. It's expecting a string. We're going to look and see, does a reference static stir, have an into method? Yeah, Rust is the only language with actual proper inference, right? Like Rust has real inference. TypeScript has fake ass inference, and so does Zig. But Rust has like real ass inference, okay? This ass is real. It's good. Could have avoided with an unstir in the function parameter. Yeah, I don't care. Look at me, not care. Okay. Well, I mean, sure, we could do that for all of these ones. We could have a different handling case if we really wanted to. And you're right, totally could do it. And now you're making me want to do it, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not falling for your trick, devil. All right. So now that we have that, we're going to go like this. For tokens and tokens equals next. Lex get next token. Yep. Let's go like this. Pub function next token. And this thing should return a token. Really, it should return an optional token. No, actually, it should return a result token, right? Because there could be an error. If this dot read position is greater than or equal to this dot input, right? Isn't it input? Oh my goodness, I'm using the word this. What a wrong. What a loser. Do you like how I'm that dumb? Yes, I am that dumb. Thank you very much. Return anyhow error end of file. There we go. Ooh, actually, we don't even do that, do we? No, what do we do here? What do we do here? I don't think we do a result, do we? I mean, technically we do a result. Return okay, we do that. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to do a match statement. Oh my goodness, stop with that. I'm going to want to do a little match statement on the next token on self.char, right? And I want to be able to go through all the possibilities. So, are you this? Then we do that. Are you that? Yes, we're going to do that, but let talk equals this. There we go. Are you this thing? Yes, you are. Are you that thing? Yes, you are. Are you this thing? Yes. Yes. Plus sign. Equal sign. There we go. And now that we're one of those, let's just go like this. Let's just go okay, and then we're going to go okay, token. I don't know what to do here. I'm trying to make it like equivalent. What's the equivalent? Right here, I want to actually return an error because I want it to actually return, let's see, unknown. I guess, we're gonna here. Let's get rid of that, right? There we go. Let's do that, and then let's actually have a token illegal. Let's use illegal. Doesn't that feel better? I think illegal feels more correct, right? Is that fair to say? Hold on. Let's see. This expression has type U8. Okay, what did I do wrong? What did I have? Damn. Okay. Can I do that? Isn't there like a whole pain in the ass thing about U8 versus all this? Right? We could do unimplemented, but it's not technically true. I mean, I guess I could, bruh. We could do that. Yeah, why not? Unreachable, I think that's right. We need to implement this. Right? Oh, you can do B. Oh, nice. I like that. Oh, I didn't realize that. Okay. I think I did actually realize this. I feel like I've done this before. I feel like I've done that. I mean, sure, we could do to do. Now we're just getting... who cares? The program's going to break, and it's going to say, hey, there's an error. I don't really care which one it is. To tell you the honest truth, I don't care. You know what I mean? I don't. I wish I cared, but I don't. You know what I mean? All right, so there we go. We got the mismatch of tokens. So we're going to do this. We're going to go this.read. We're going to go readChar. And then we're going to go self.readChar and then go return. Okay, talk, right? Does that seem about right? All right, then we're going to have a little function, readChar. And this is simply going to mutate the state. And we're going to go for up back here. Let lex equals this. Here, do one of those. Lex.readChar, do that. Return lex, bam. Do that. Go here, and we're going to go if self.read position is greater than or equal to this dot input. Oh my goodness, I keep using this. Self.input. A mutt moment. Who's having this mutt moment? We're not. Oh crap, we do need it to be mute. What am I doing? Yeah, you're right. I was like, why would we do that? That seems stupid. All right, this seems about right. There we go. We're going to do this one. We're going to want to grab that one right there. Perfect. And then we're going to go self.equals read position. Technically, yes, and then read position +1. We're repeating the characters pretty much now, and we're going to need to go all the way up here, and we're going to have the mutt right here. As people say, the mutt, the mutt, the mutt. Clearly, it's a mutt. Why not? Why would it not be called a mutt? Why would it not be called a mutt? Prime, you call it char and not car. You call it char and not car. Fine. Reasonable. Fine. Fine and reasonable. I swear to God, Prime, why do you need a squirrely inside a little squirrely variant? They're all similar. I know. I don't have to do that, but I did it. I'm going to probably take it away. It's been bothering me for a while now. You know what I mean? This has been bothering me, and I didn't want to do it, and it's bothering me even more. And I've been sitting here pretending like it doesn't bother me, but this all really bothers me. You know why? Because you already know what it is. You know what I mean? So it's like, you don't need those right there. Right? You need them right here. You need them right here. We don't need it on int. Yeah, we don't need it on int, but you need it right here and here because you don't know what it is. But down here, do you need any of that? You don't, and it's just been emotionally painful. You know what I mean? Have you guys not felt that way? Oh, I forgot. I realized that I need more than that, right? Let's go. That. Oh, yeah, I can keep on going, huh? Yeah, I can just do that whole thing, huh? There we go. All right, what's your deal? What's your deal? Never been used, then what the hell? Oh, shart!
That scared me.
Oh, gosh! Why? Why? Crimson! That even got you? Dude, that got me so good. Right in the middle of the focus. Oh, my goodness. Guys, that just killed me. I just want you to know that right now. I am the dance. Thank you. Basically, you're doing heap allocation for every single token. Yeah, I realize that. Don't worry. It was bothering me, but I was just letting it go. Let's see. If you could put a cursor around your vec and then implement our read and seek, and you won't need to track the position. Yeah, but I want to follow the book. You know what I mean? I want to follow the book as much as possible, Benny. I want the code to be as similar as possible. And maybe some level, like some places, it could be more idiomatic, right? Like, you know, we could turn Lexer into an iterator. That would probably be fair, is to turn it into an iterator. And I could see myself doing that. Does the Rust Foundation not approve of my code? Probably not. I feel like that would be fair, right? But I feel like, you know, I'm not sure if we want to do that. Create token struct with the token kind and length and its position. Token kind is an enum. We could do that, but I don't need to do that. You are the reason I started learning Rust, and I'm a self-taught, and the only other language I knew were Python and JavaScript. Hey, awesome. That's good. Rust offers you a lot of things you get to think about that you never thought about when it comes to something like JavaScript. I think that it is it's a great transitional language. I think from something like, because Zig, I feel like is in some sense more of an intellectual jump than Rust in some way.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Because you really have to know the difference. Whereas I feel like Rust kind of hides some stuff and it makes it feel really easy. It feels kind of fun. You know, Rust makes you feel like you're programming a higher level language when you might not actually be writing a higher level language. I think that's just really fun. 100%. My crush just rejected me. Any tips? Oof, that's tough. Who's your crush? Pascu, thank you for the gifted sub. Appreciate it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Thoughts on a space top notebook? Never even played with one. Wouldn't have one. It's cool that Netflix allows you to have competitor's name. Amazon Prime? Yeah, that's my name. Why is TypeScript so broken? I'm working on a Nux project, and the type errors are like some disturbing memory of a yet unbecome serial killer. TypeScript's not super broken. I mean, it's just broken enough that it makes life really upsetting. But you can get over it. Honestly, it's way less bad than JavaScript. You are the reason I started learning JavaScript without TS on VS Code. Thank you for making me a better engineer. I'm sorry, Randy. I must have done something to you. I'm sorry. All right. Let's see. We can't do this one. We need to implement debug on token. We can do that. Derive debug partial equals. Probably fine. Multiple variants. Whoa. I thought I called it all right here. I'm a little confused why I'm not getting that. Okay, so what are all these errors? Public token. Okay, what is it? Let's see. Dead code. Is it dead? I feel like, let's see, hold on. Variants ident. Yep, these are never constructed. Absolutely right. Multiple variants, never constructed. I'm pretty sure we construct all of them right here. I'm a little confused as to why that's showing up as a warning. I know they're just warnings, but I'm a little confused because I am constructing it, right? They're warnings for a reason. You might be goofing something up. So when I see a warning like this, like saying, hey, I never call this function, I'm like, no, I thought I was calling this function. And I am. So I don't know what that is, so whatever. Cargo test. Let's find out why I'm not calling it, because I guarantee you there's something that's not right. Oh, nice. Okay. I must have not named semicolon. No, I have semicolon right here. Okay, so that's not it. Let's see. Do I have semi in here? I do have semi in here. Okay, nice. Let's make sure. Let's see. What's my input stream? Let's see. I have. We call it a sign.
Welcome to Costco.
Interesting. I thought I called it equal. That bothers me. Let's call it equal. All right. Equal plus left parent, right parent, squirrely, comma, semicolon. That seems about right. You guys like that? I'm liking that right now. Let's just print ln this because I'm confused. No, dang it! Gosh! Whoopsies. Expected, received. Oh my goodness. That scared the bananas out of me. Crimson Mana, thank you for the 100 gifted subs, which is too effing many. Okay, this is too much. Dude, I appreciate that, dude. You've done more than enough. Sit down for the year. Take a load off in the startup. Thank you. You might have to get rid of the banks because it's messing me up too. Is the banks messing up everybody? When we get Netflix Prime, I don't know. I just jumped from Ruby and TypeScript to C on your advice, and I'm loving the challenge and neurological trauma. I figured out the best way to overcome imposter syndrome is stop literally being an imposter. Yeah, this is good. Honestly, spend a week in C. Just 1 week. You don't have to spend a ton of time, just enough to know it, because C is an exceptionally simple language. You know what I mean? Hey, Primogen, is there any chance you can explain the weird syntax? I can't understand a struct parameter. Function, long dash, multi-form, multi-part upload form result. Which part are you not understanding? This is pattern matching with that type. It's just unwrapping the insides, and this thing is returning out an implementation or a trait, responder, or an error. That's all it's doing. All right. You are the reason I started writing kernel and COBOL. Thank you. Hey, no problem. You're welcome. I'm afraid, to be honest. C is fine until you need to read other people's C's. Yeah, I can understand that. Destructuring within function parameters. It's pretty... People do that. I've never really had a reason to do that. Okay, here, let's go. Let's see. Expected equal, received equal. Expected plus, 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 semicolon, end of file. ¿Por qué Maria? Oh, it's because I did this. I'm a little confused how that is. Hold on, let's think about this for a second. Oh, I shouldn't do that. That's why. Because it's about the position. It's not about the read position. Oh, shoot. So then I should go like this. That's where I should do end of file. There we go. I goofed that up. Okay. Yeah, I goofed that up. That's my fault. Look at that. I could be my own techno. Yeah, gifted us up. No problem. You have fork bomb and fashion. Damn mosquito. Rust analyzer is not marking code used if it's used in a test. Ah, I see that. Fuck flies. What's the discount code for the book? The name is the Primogen. Oh, messed that one up. That's the discount code. Is building library tools like Falcor an actual career? Yeah, I did that as an actual career for multiple years.
Oh, that scared me.
Crimson, I said hit the hot tub. Okay, Crimson? Get the hell in the hot tub already. Okay, you don't need... You've made it. Go to the VIP lounge. Enjoy yourself. Because this is... What has been happening lately, people? Honestly, like, just real talk. What is going on, guys? I don't know what's happened. Okay, like, just hear me out for a second. Crimson and a lot of y'all, like, I kid you not, I've been streaming for 5 years. And in the last 2 months...
It turns all your bad feelings into good feelings. It's a...
Y'all have been just, like, super generous. I have no idea what's happened. I'm just saying, I really genuinely appreciate that. Really, I just discovered you. You, where were you, Daddy? I've been around. YouTube algorithm? Some oil princes like Rust. Okay, critical mass. I don't know what's happening, but I would just like to let you guys know. We're just trying to pay for the well. Thank you. My entire Twitch paycheck goes straight to the well. It goes nowhere else. It goes nowhere else. Well, then also I got taxes from it as well.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
You know, your time has come. Well, thank you. I just want to let you know. What is the well? I literally have a money hole. Guys, I have a money hole. Okay, not that kind of hole either. It's not that kind, okay? No one's smiling about it. I had a well that broke, and I had to drill 700 feet down to get a new well. They couldn't reuse the well. I had a collapse. I had an act of God happen, and let's just say that it ended all in all around 6 figures to take care of it. Oh, well, yeah, that sucks. A real well. Yeah, like well in that case. Well, on that note, don't worry, I've heard them all. Don't worry, I've heard them all, you know? Some people see their cup half full. You obviously don't even have a cup of water, right? Like, I've heard them all. I've heard them all. Well, got it. Well, fuck. I've heard that one. You must be well-to-do. That actually is kind of new. Take care of the hole, yeah. Is that why you live in a valley? Well, would you look at that? Yep, get well soon, yep. Heard all these. Well, these nuts fit in your mouth. I'm glad my struggle can be your these nuts joke, okay? That feels great, okay? It feels good to know that that could happen. Holy carp. Yeah, dang. I just got a Super Smash Bros. For my son like an hour, and he's still going. Kudos. Hey, yeah. That requires some wealth. Well, it requires a loan out against our house. No one worry. We're doing fine. We're going to make it through. We're just going to... Orwellian, that's actually really good. I haven't heard that one. We're just going to just go through it nice and slow. We're going to get through it. It's going to be great.
Welcome to Costco.
And that's that. You know what? I have
you.
the privilege of being able to pay for that, at least see an end in sight. Like at some point, I know I won't have it anymore, and that feels really good. So I feel very blessed by that just in of itself. So thank you, everybody. Kursop, thank you very much for that brand new tier 1. I don't really want to talk about
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
But I would just like to say thank you. And like I said, I don't understand what the heck's happening lately. I don't understand how there's this many people watching me build something. Right? To me, this is mind-boggling. Right? This is mind-numbing that this exists. You know what I mean?
And give it to me raw.
So thank you. I do want to say that. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Just you guys being here just makes me feel so dang special. So thank you. Hey, From Somnia, thank you very much. The compound effect. You're very entertaining. Well, thank you. Mind bottling. Bottling, mostly. I'm just trying to learn, brother. Nice. I'm just a soy dev for guidance. Hey, no problem. Let's see. A lot of layoffs potentially. Quaidbot, thank you very much. Quaidbot, you don't have to do that, Quaidbot.
Welcome to Costco.
Jizzle
I love
Dev,
you.
nothing feels better than a nice
turns all your bad
steaming
feelings
hot
into
Jizzle
good
gift.
feelings.
Thank you.
It's
You
a
actually
night.
interact with chat, which makes you special.
Welcome to Costco.
Well, thank you.
I love
Ain Sophia. Ain Sofar, thank you. And Ma Abrahau, thank you very much. Hello, Primogen. I'm learning English, and you speak blazingly fast. I do. I think someone called me the Ben Shapiro of programming. And then I tried to do a Ben Shapiro impersonation. And I realized he's so bland, I can't do a Ben Shapiro accent. I try to be good at accents, but I cannot do that. You have good takes and your humor is on point. Mine's like, hey, thank you. You've convinced me to start learning Vimotion. Let's go. Let's go. Please no. I can't actually even do a Ben Shapiro accent because, you know, that's in my head how he sounds, right? Do a Wandy accent. Hello, boys.
Give me the meat.
Okay, boys.
And give it to me raw.
That's okay, guys. This is too much. Zeus Hercules, thank you very much. Mr. Giro, thank you very, very much for that
Welcome
Twitch
to
Prime.
Costco.
Anasora,
I love
Quaid from Somnia,
Welcome to Costco.
Alec,
I love
Alzek, thank you very much. Holy cow, Kurzop, Dylan Codes, let's go. Elmo, I didn't even see this one, Elmo. Thank you very much, Elmo. Swolmo, thank you very much. Nero Rock, let's go. The Forger One, thank you very much. After 6 years, you're the Dr. Disrespect of programming. I love it. Still blazingly slow in Neovim. Yeah, it takes a little bit. I appreciate that. Okay, back to the Lexer. 5 minutes of effused parasocial behavior is over. All right, that's it. That's enough of this. But I really mean it. I genuinely, I cannot believe this is literally happening. Thank you, everybody.
I love you.
I am very, very happy that I've done a few free things on the internet. Ruckar, thank you very much. And Shines Love, thank you very much. Data structures and testing because of you. Nice. Thank you. And I do mean that. Again, I'm going to shill this again because I think it's just so important. There's a couple things I think are super important in programming. So A, this one's for free. Free forever. Don't need a credit card or anything. Agreed with Front End Masters. If you go and watch it, I get $0 if you just go and never sign up for Front End Masters or anything. If at some point in the future you sign up for Front End Masters, then I will see some money, which is sweet. But if not, I never see anything, and that's okay. We made it free forever. Go and enjoy it. It's front end. It's an algorithms course. I went all in on it. It's 11 hours of algorithms, and it's for you. Algorithms and data structures. And so I hope that you enjoy that. And then, of course, the one with Thorsten, the book. Add it to your bucket list. This book right here, again, 30% off. I don't get any money from it. 30% off. Just go take it. Just have
Welcome
it.
to Costco.
Just go get it.
I love you.
What's better than free sex? Free Prime classes. You don't want to say it that way. Somehow
Welcome
it just
to
sounds
Costco.
weird when you say it that way.
I love
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I really want you guys to be great engineers, and to be a great engineer, you have to know some basics. Algorithms do make you a great engineer because you see the world differently. You understand how code does things differently. Second, compilers or interpreters help you see the world differently, right? Like, it just does. And so those are two things that just really changed my mind about programming, and I want to share them with you guys. So there you go. William Jacques, thank you very much for that tier 1. Shines love learning data structures and testing. Hey, no problem, buddy. And Copper, thank you very much. So I hope you guys enjoy those. Actually understanding how shit works rather than just hacking together interfaces. Yeah, because I want you to understand the important things. What about programming paradigms? I think programming paradigms, I mean, really, there's some things you need to know, like what is a call stack, right? If you learn what a call stack is and you go and program some basic different paradigms, you'll kind of understand a lot of things. Saying ORMs were the second worst thing to OOP and after null pointers. What are your take on ORMs? I always have the exact same answer on ORMs. ORMs are great until they're horrible, right? They are great. ORMs are great because you get to define it, these nice structures. You're not thinking about the underlying storage, and it feels very intuitive and natural. But just like, every animal, and like cat is to animal, like dog is to animal, you start doing the same thing with ORMs, and then all of a sudden you hate ORMs, and then all of a sudden they're the worst thing in the universe, right? Like, ORMs are great until they're horrible. I just heard my little daughter scream. I got laid off 2 months ago and started binging the fuck out of your videos. Yesterday I got hired again by the government and have 25% increase. Thank you. Hey, no problem, buddy. Right? And so that's how I feel about ORMs, is that they're fun, horrifying. Right? Long as you can write some raw squeal. Yeah. Long as you can go into raw squeal land, you're pretty good. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go into Zig and let's do this. So I've never used this data structure, so I actually have no idea how to use this in Zig. So normally I don't go this fast into a project. I should have done a couple more AOC problems and then built the WebSocket thing and then done the project in Zig. I feel like I moved a little quick on this one, but that's okay. Let's see. Lexer, I think is that how you do a test? I'm pretty sure that's how you do a test. So I can go like this. Const Lexer equals struct. Const self equals. Do people prefer to do this? Do people prefer to use the term self or at this? What is like the way people want to do that? Right? What is like the Zig way to do that? Because I've seen this mostly. But I've also seen people use like this as a way to do it. So I don't know which one is better. Love having tests and logic in the same file. So do I. Very much so. Self, because I write self is super Python Lua, if you ask me, and Rust. It's very rusty as well, right? Rust is a very self-based language. Look at that. Look at all those selfs. So many of them. Newer stuff seem to use a single char to go style receivers. Wait, what? All right, there we go. So we're back in here. So, all right, we have this. And so I need to have function readChar, right? The hard part about, okay, so one thing I don't like about Zig is I don't know how to do private methods that operate on a type. Is there a way to do private methods that operate on a type? Like readChar, would the proper way to do this is just have function readChar right here, which means that like people can't have this? Is that how this is done? Is that fair? Is that how people do it? And then you'd have like a Lex, that's a Lexer, right? Is that effectively? I think that's right. If Lex, let's go like this. Let's go, what would it be? It'd be read position is a usize, position's a usize, char is a u8, and input is a const u8, right? I think that's correct. I think that's how you do this. Yeah. You can put a struct. Let's see. You can put it in a struct itself. Just don't make it public. I don't know what that even means. Let's see. Primegen. It is private. You need to make it pub for peeps to see it when inside. Oh, really? Oh. Is that true? I thought in Zig. Okay. Sorry. I'm applying. Sorry. I put my C++. I put C++ on my brain. You know what I mean? Yeah, okay, my bad. Right, what I should have done, yeah, I see what I've done. In my head, it's C++, right? So that means all of these are public, which is not true, right? So they're not actually public. Let's see, all fields in Zig are public. Declarations are not. Ah, damn. See, I don't like that either. That also isn't great. Weird weird, I guess. Weird function next token. I don't know how I feel about that either. This one I need to have. What is the thing called? What is the thing called? I need a token. All right, and then we need to have a function readChar, which does this if. Oh wait, I have to have a self as a self, right? That's like kind of a oh, you have to have self as a pointer to self to make it
Welcome to
mutable,
Costco.
right?
I
Yeah,
love you.
I'm pretty sure I'm correct on that one. I'm like 99% sure I'm correct on this one. I'm still learning things, okay? I'm still learning things, so just give me a second here, okay? Read position is greater than or equal to self dot input dot length, I think is how it is. Then self dot char equals 0.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Else autocomplete for me. Do it for me. Do it for me. Right? Hey, Curbin, thank you very much for the brand new Twitch Prime. I appreciate that. Son of a Viking, 1 year of Prime sub. Time went blazingly fast. Thank you so much for that. You spit that right out now. I know, I'm sorry. Let's see, any of your kids interested in tech? Yeah, they are. After you get some experience, will you do a breakdown of the pros and cons of Zig? Absolutely. I didn't. Okay, hey, I don't know how to say this name. Mauricio Jr. Thank you very much. Zero to Prod and Rust. I didn't get much out of it, and I think it's not that great of a book. But it's your #1 book recommendation list, which made me wonder what kind of. Let's see. If you have some sort of deal with the author. No, I have no deal with the author. Thank you for asking. I genuinely appreciate that. In fact, no one from the Rust Foundation follows me. They don't like me, is my general idea. I liked the book. I think the book is a very great introduction into taking your Rust from I know how to do advent of code into I now know how to build servers and stuff like that. So I think it's pretty great. Now, if you're already further than that, then yeah, it wouldn't be that great. I'm not going to lie to you, that comment does come off a little, douche. You know, do your views represent the Rust Foundation officially or unofficially? Unofficially. I like that they don't like you. I don't know why they don't like me. As far as I can tell, I'm not even trying to be mean to people. I don't know. I just don't think I'm the right kind of person. I don't know. Why do you need position and reposition? Didn't you just use position? No. There's a new version of the Rust book that came out in February. Makes it entertaining. Let's see. It can't please everyone. Yeah. Read position is different than position. Read position is the next item. I'm just doing that. I'm just trying to do that. I want people to be interested in Rust. I think Rust is a great language, and I think that's good. It's peak. It's effectively peak, because I'm sure we're gonna have to have like some
Welcome
sort of peak
to Costco.
method.
I love you.
You know what I mean? I want people to feel accepted, okay? And I think to make someone feel accepted, it just takes a certain type of thing you have to do where you don't want anyone to feel judged, right? I want everyone in here to feel like they have a spot, they feel welcome, they feel good, and that's just that. So I feel, okay? I'm sorry if that's not. I'm sorry if that doesn't line up with your way of doing things. So enjoy yourself. So that's how we do it around here. Programmers, yes, I've seen a lot of programmers are also human. No problem, or NP complete. Pickart. Ooh, I love that it's called Pickart. There are Rust devs with 5 years of experience, not including the core devs. Yeah, there are. Rust has been around for a long time, so there are. Yeah, Rust is an amazing balance of performance, correctness, and ease of use. I'd say their type system's really amazing, but sometimes I find it really frustrating sometimes. There's things I don't like about Rust as well. I understand the read position for what I assume there's going to be a peak method at some point. Okay, I'm just following a book. I'm just following the book. That's all I'm doing. I'm not trying to come up with my own answers. I'm just doing what they're doing. Okay, so there we go. All right, so we got this. We got next token. So let's build this tokenizer. It should be pretty easy. We should be able to go like this. I've never used a switch in this either. Switch. How do you use switches? That can't be it. I don't think that's how you use it. I think that's not how you do a switch and zig, right? I think a switch and zig would look something like this. This is my guess, is that it's going to look something like this. Token L brace. What do we call it? L brace? We called it L brace? Did we actually? It's called a squirrely. Did I get that right? Oh, do I need a capture? I don't think so. Here, I've never done a switch statement. Switch, like again, I'm jumping really fast into a project with Zig when I should have taken a bit more time to understand Zig. Or yeah, let's see. Switch, let's see. Switch, okay, and then we can do an assignment after. I love that you can do an assignment. That's so good. That's so good. That's so good. What software do you use for PDFs? I'm just using XDG Open. I have no idea. Yeah, I thought you were waiting till next week. I normally would wait till next week. I just didn't. Do you normally code with font that size? Yes. I gotten so used to coding with font this size, I now just, I now just do that, okay? So I can go like this. That means I can go like this. Const talk equals this. Yeah, baby. That's cool. That is cool. So I'm going to have to find a way to make that better. But so that means I should be able to go like this now. Is there a way to do one line? Oh, my goodness. One line per display? Exactly. Is there a way to do... Oh, there's an else statement. Okay, so I can just do... what do I do here? I don't know what to do here, so I'm just going to put token illegal for now. Right? Whatever. I love this song. All right, so that seems about right. Default, yeah. Else is default. I think else is default. I don't know the song name. This is just a playlist. This is, what is the playlist? Jessica Harris live at Radio Intense. Barcelona. Barcelona. Token deport crash program. Oh, I like it. All right, so there we go. This all looks good. We got next token, read the char. This is effectively what I want to see. Yeah. All right, so now that we have that, how do we do a test in Zig? I don't know how to do a test in Zig. Test. There's a way to do like, I know there's a way to do like test. There's a way to do expect. Try, expect. Okay, so there is an expect. Where do we get expect from? Testing standard expect. Ah. So I can go like that. Beautiful. So I can have expect right there. So that means I should be able to go like this. Var lex equals Lexer input string. Actually, no, I'd do a init, right? I would do a pub function, a init, but it doesn't need an allocator, I don't think. I don't think I need an allocator for this.
Welcome to Costco.
Is that fair to say? Do I need an allocator for this? I don't think I need an allocator for this. This is purely like a stack-based invention, right? In Viber, thank you very much. Does that feel about right? In Viber, welcome with the brand new Twitch Prime. Devil on vacation. Thank you. Does anyone know? If you're not copying the backing storage, I'm not copying the backup storage. You'd be pre-allocated by whatever is calling into it. Yeah. You also need to do try, expect, something you've tested. Yes. Expect equal. Okay. Isn't Rust types for making illegal state irrepresentable? Rust types help you do this. All right. What's the implementation? Is this the last interpreter? Yes. It goes TypeScript, Rust, Zig. You will need literals, so you need an allocator later. I need literals? Do I? Right now, I don't believe you. I'm going to say I don't believe you currently, but we'll see. All right, we'll see. Can you do like void? Can you do void? Like what's like the empty type here, right? Because none of these technically need a type. Can you use a zero size type? That I don't know. Can you do that? Nothing? Wait, is nothing a word? Void is a 0 byte type. Okay. If you take, let's see, Tokenizer, when you get a chance, it shows a cool way to handle keyword matching. Okay, I could do that. At some point, I'll do that. I really wanted to go through this for a while because I just... All right, there we go. Semicolon, comma, plus that, integer. Why do I have int and integer? I got to make my choice on some of these. Illegal, of course, is void. End of file is void. Let's put all the ones that require something up top. Is this how you do a slice? Because I figured I would just do a slice of what is already there, right? Let's see. Can you please, let's see, how could I use that Netflix? I might try to see if I can put it into, okay, those are slices. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can put it into the television. What color skin? This is Tokyo, baby. Tokyo night. Okay, this is Tokyo night. Let's go like this. Lexer.init, and I do need to pass into this thing a const u8. See, I might be missing something when it comes to real talk. I may be missing something when it comes to the allocator, so we could have some allocator problems. You should use Zig error type for functions that return errors. This is true. I don't have any functions that return errors currently, but you're absolutely right. When I get a chance, I'll bang with the boys. You know what I'm talking about? I know you know what I'm talking about. Okay, don't worry. I get it. You know. Const input equals... I know you know. Okay? I know it. Don't worry. Let's see. We can't do it. While what is this thing? It'd be lex.next token does not equal end of file. Oh, you can't capture this, can you? There's no capture, right? You can't capture this because I'm doing an equal, right? This thing should always keep running, right?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
If lex... Dang it, how would I do that? I don't know how to do that. This is also very interesting, right? I'm not really sure how to compare these yet. Like, this is I don't really know how to do this thing yet, right? Why build an interpreter when you can just take an app? That's a good question. Let's go like this. Var tokens. I'm going to use tokens as the way I want to do this. How do I think I just go like this, if I'm not mistaken. This would do a list of items. Token assigned plus squirrely end of file. Yeah. There we go. We're going to do this, and then I need to go token, right? Is that fair? Yeah. And then I can go like this. I can go for tokens, token. All right, so there we go. We got this one. And I should get the talk next token. Can I do this equal sign, though? I don't think I can do an equal sign, right? Because how does it compare equals? Add an ampersand. Oh, why do I need to add an ampersand? Unable to infer the array size. See, this is why I probably should have taken a little bit more time on the advent of code, because you run into all these problems quicker. You know what I mean? You should compare by union tag. Okay, there is a union tag. Okay. It aches my heart when I see you write Rust. I like writing Rust. Rust is fun. Right? Use equal instead of assign. Do I have equal here? Oh, I do have. Yeah, I do have that. I want equal. I don't like the idea of assign. You know what I mean? All right, so we have that. So I have to do this, right? So what you're trying to say is that is there like a tag or something that you can? I'm not really sure. Let's see. How to say this? I need to look up tagged unions. Tagged union Zig. I don't know how to do it. Let's see. This is how Zig does this kind of stuff in the standard. Try expect equals as token plus lex. Okay, but how does it know how to equal those two things together? Okay, so what you're trying to say is I need to do something like this, and then I need expect equals. What did I call it? Expect equal. expect equal. Is that what you're trying to say? And then I need a token. Unused capture. I'm confused as to that. Can I just go like token? Is it test? All right, hold on. Inferred length is, let's see, is it... Okay. But saying it cannot infer size. Unable to infer size. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Add the ampersand. Why the ampersand? What does the ampersand do? I'm confused as to the ampersand. What is the point of the ampersand? I don't quite understand the ampersand. Let's see. How is your Zig journey compared to Rust so far? There's a couple things. Like I said, I probably should have taken a bit more time with Advent of Code. Just because I'd run into these situations a significant higher amounts more, right? And then I can learn it in a very specific thing. So I just need to look at tagged unions because I don't understand tag unions. Apparently slices and tag unions because I don't quite get what they're trying to say because I want to do this. Oh, you have to do it on that side. So what you're trying to say is I should be doing a... Does that work? Then I have to do that? You're telling me I have to do one of those? I don't understand why I do one of those. I don't quite get that. And then I have to infer the size. Can you infer the size of this? It can infer the size of that. Okay, so it infers the side on that side. Okay, so it can't do it when it's over here, but it does it when it's over here. Okay. Okay, yes, that. Sorry, you gotta learn these things. Why Zig order always ran? I'm sure there's an art to it. I just don't understand it yet. All right, so we know this one. All right, const tag union equals union enum. I know I already have a tagged union, right? I'm just trying to figure out. I don't know how to like use them. I don't know what the point is. Like when I get a talk, like when I get a new token out, this thing right here. I don't know what to do with it. Like, how do I tell what it is? Is there like, because I'm used to like, Rust would be like, let some token this, right? That would be like the Rust way of doing it. But I don't need, you know what I mean? So I don't quite know how to do that. Yet you have to do a switch case. Do switch statements also allow you to lift out the inner value? Like, how do you get the inner value? Here, hold on. What is it called? Tagged union. Let me just see what they have to say here. All right, so there we go. So we have this nice tagged union. We can say as complex type tag C. Okay, C equals this. Wait. Okay. Why do you have to do this as? I'm having a hard time wrapping my head around why this is even required. This thing is already that. Oh, it's not that. Oh, this is the insides. This just gets the tag out. Is that what happens? This just gets the tag out, right? Is that what that is? As gets the tag out. So that gets the tag out. Okay. 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 And so that's why people have them separated. So this is why you would do some sort of... This is why you wouldn't just do it like this. Is that correct? Because this allows me effectively to not be able to test it. Correct? Or would I go like this? Hold on. Or would I do this? Try equals, and I'd go as... Ooh, what do I do this thing as? Because I can't really grab the... How would I grab the key out of this thing? Or the tag? Well, I want to compare these two things. I'm at the tagged union right now. Zig... Oh, gosh.
Welcome to Costco.
I can't... Someone said something about that. Tag should be a type. The tag should be a type. It shouldn't just be floating. I love the energy. Keep doing it. Hey, no problem, buddy. Yeah, see, that's... Okay, so I originally had this thing as its own type, right? So normally I actually had enum, token type equals, paste all this crap in, right? What is it? 14 down. Do that guy. Go up here. Take this and take that. Right? There we go. And do one of those. And then after doing that, expected one of you guys. Did I get this correct? Oh, const that. That's right. Equals enum. That's right. Because we always do that. Do one of those. And then I'd go token type. Right? That's how you would do that, right? So now by having that, I can then go down here and I can go, would I go at as token type token, let's see, oh gosh, const talk equals FL, do that. And then I can go as token type talk, and that would compare the, the tags, right? As is a static cast. But it obviously has a little bit more than static casting because it's just getting the tag out. Greetings from Germany. Discovered your YouTube channel days ago. Pure gold, much love. Hey, thank you very much. How do you do that multi-cursor thing? Multi-cursor is, multi-cursor, that's not multi-cursor. That's just find and replace. Yo, Prime, trying to the same process as you to learn. I did AOC project. Let's see. What projects do you usually build? I'm building one right now.
Welcome to Costco.
Just a little toke. Just a little toke. That's all I want. Just a little toke, baby. Neely, 1, 2, 3, thank you. And Lord Orzian.
I love you.
I like Zig. Orzian Ham. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Yeah, let's see. How did you do that, Vim? Yeah, that's just normal Vim's what I did there. I need to read the doc here. So, all right, so let's look at this thing. All right. Where are you? Where'd you just go? Expose yourself to me. All right, tagged unions. Union can be declared with an enum type tag or tag type. This union, this turns the union into a tagged union, which makes it eligible to use in a switch expressions. Tag union coerces their tags. Okay, so we might want to look at that in a little bit. Wait, where am I? Okay, so that would be the next one if we want to do that. All right, so here we go. We create a tag. We create this. We can compare that. We can capture out the value, the inner value. Okay, so that would be a U8. Okay, and then we try to expect the value. Perfect. Okay, I think I get that. All right, so, okay. What would be a good way? He missed, lol. Wait, who what? Who what? What am I missing at? Why is everyone saying that phrase? What did I miss? Line 18, bro. Line 18. I know, I get that. That's how you do the unwrapping here. I get the unwrappings. What are you saying? What are you saying, dog? Calm your buns down. Standard meta tag, complex type equals complex type tag. Oh, interesting. So you can also grab the tag type right there. I was talking about chat, not you. Okay, I have no idea what you guys are talking about at this point. All right. So is there not a way to directly just compare these two as one whole item? Because I foresee typing could be a little, let's see. So I'm just thinking ahead to tests. Yes, I see that this is perfectly fine, but what I'm just foreseeing the test further down the road, and what I mean by that, yeah, okay, is take, I think you guys might not be, okay, so I realize that I may be a little bit ahead. You can just do .ok without the complex tag type. Well, this is for if I want to do the switch thing, right? If I want to do the switch, I can switch on a switch expression right here. See, no, because the struct insides, let's see, no, the struct insides are not the enum, but their name is that you need that to coerce back to the enum from the inside name. I know, so this is what, so hear me out. So right now we're just doing this, right? None of these have an inner value, right? They're all just like a tag. That's it. But once I get past that, and now I have like actual values inside there, and I'm going to want to compare that inner value, then we start having a problem, right? Right, I think that's where this equal deep. Okay, would equal deep allow, oh, so equal deep might allow me to do that. It seems to be a bad example to use okay twice. Oh, I don't have a problem with that. That's not what I'm too worried about that. It makes sense what they're doing. Test union method below. Ooh, yeah, okay. Test union methods below. Okay. Yeah, but this isn't testing two tagged unions against each other. It's not testing two unions against each other, which is, that's where my head's like, where my head's at, right? Because once I go in here and I have token identifier, right? Like once I get to this point, then my test, it's going to be really, like there's like a whole extra thing I'm going to have to do here. So equal deep must be the thing that I'm looking for. Equal deep will compare the elements of the slices one by one. Okay. It means it is testing two typed unions. Yeah. Okay. Not gonna lie, multi-cursor is the only thing holding me back from abandoning VS Code. Really? Multi-cursor? Why would you need multi-cursor? What would you want about that? Look at this. I can go in here. I can hit that thing. I can go n dot period fighting one-eyed Kirby. Okay. Pretty straightforward, comma. And now I could do something like this. We could go n dot /1 equals quote /1. Look at that. I can do like a nice little one of those things, right? You can just do some nice find and replaces, matches. You can get some good stuff right in there. Pretty straightforward. If you don't really like that, you can hit it with the old macro. Jump to the front. We're going to go up to the dot. Let's go like this. Let's go yi equals over equals that. Escape, paste, that, down one, and bam, 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 bam. Bam. Does that work? It's just that simple. It's just that simple. Thank you for the raid. Do you not know how to do that? You don't know how to do that? All right, well, let's do something even worse then, okay? How about this one? How about this one? Hold on. Thank you for the raid, but hold on. How about this one? Let's record a macro. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press star, shift N, jump back. I'm going to stay right here. I'm going to yank. Ooh, I can't quite do that. I didn't need to do that. Hold on. Okay, hold on. This one's going to get real tricky. Go here, F forward. Here we go. I'm going to yank that. I'm going to reverse search, test. I'm going to FN space that. Let's do one of these. Enter. Go back up. F that star. Down one. There. Bam. 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 Look at that. Look how beautiful that works. Come on. That was beautiful. Come on. That was beautiful. Macros are fun. You can do like anything. Macros are good times, okay? If you don't know about macros, they're like great times. All right. So you're telling me, hold on one second. So you're telling me I need to go deep. Can someone, let's see, hold on. I just want to make sure I understand this. Deep. And then I should really be able to just go like that. Right? Hopefully that just does the thing I want it to do, and it doesn't. Okay, hey, thank you very much. Who just rated me? It was Dev. It was Dev Girl? Dev Girl? Did I get that right? Who did that? Who did it? Who just did the ratings? DevGirl. Okay, I did get that right. Okay. That's what I thought. Okay, hey, let's do a little shout out. Hey, thank you very much. Appreciate the raid. Thank you very much. What is that? TwitchCon 2023? Oh, you have the Paris, you have the Paris 2023. Oh, man. Everybody, you go over to here and you press that button. You press follow. And then you say thank you for the raid. Everybody. Primegen, after seeing the amount of pitfalls you can fall in with Zig, I like Rust for being strict. That's the thing, is you're only getting used to it. The problem is that you forgot how hard it was to be good at Rust. And so we've barely scratched the surface of Zig, and Zig really is fairly simple language, right? Like, the things that make big pitfalls are not knowing what's not being freed, which general purpose allocator tells you that. Null pointers, which, again, guess what?
Welcome to Costco.
Zig tells you when you have nulls. Errors as values. Zig has errors as values. Easy ways to make errors or values return from a function. Zig has that. Zig has like almost all, like it literally has almost all of the things that make Rust amazing. Just not all of them, right? Simple but unfamiliar equals hard to learn. Exactly. Just because it's a little unfamiliar right now, it feels wrong. But you got to take a moment. He just defined DX. I'm trying to define DX. Yes, I'm defining things that make a good DX. Traits and iterators. Yes. Okay, so I love the trait system and I love iterators. Zig does have iterators. There's an even entire library about doing iterators and all that, doing some sweet iterators. But you're right, they're not as good as Rust. And trait system, the ability to
Costco.
The ability to do that is very amazing. Holy cow, Tempest coming in 6 months in advance. Tier 2. Let's go, baby. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Partial equals is not implemented for type token. Yeah. So that's my big question. Tempest, thank you very much. I am going to be going to TwitchCon. The one in Vegas, baby. The one in Vegas. All right. Hold on. Return talk. A runtime coercion from enum token type to Lexer this. Ooh, wait, what? Wait, what? Porque Maria? Hold on. Wait, what? Here's the Jordan Peterson song again. I'm confused by this one. Okay, hold on. Lexer, this one. This is on 67. Okay, so I'm a little bit confused. I thought I'm returning a token right here. Aren't these tokens? Are those not tokens? Porque? I'm really liking it. Zig does feel a bit more verbose than I expected. I don't know yet because I haven't done enough of it. Zig has HTTP stuff related now in the STD. Oh, it does? It has standard. Oh, nice. Pokimane has graduated from OTV. Will I be replacing her? I don't know. I'll have to get on the phone with my agent. I did do that. But I also have this right here. So are you telling me not to do that? Dude, sometimes I have no idea how this stuff works. See, we still get the same thing. Union Lexer token. Let's see, hold on. Runtime coercion from enum type info Lexer token union tag type to union token, which has non-void fields. Yeah, but I've defined which one it is for each one of them. So, okay, so I don't get that. So how do I, like, make one of those? See, okay. I knew I should have done a touch more advent of code because I didn't run into these and I don't know how to use them yet. Try to divide an int and zig. No, I'm pretty sure if you divide an int and zig, it is. Don't you assign values to unions? Yeah. No, it does work. Dividing an int, you can divide an int in Zig. Oh, interesting. So what you're trying to tell me is I have to go token. Is that what you're trying to say? Does not support array initialization syntax. That's not quite it, is that? Oh, end of file. Oh, is that what you're trying to say? Okay. Okay, so I think you might be right here. Like I just do a basic parlor trick and you guys go nuts. Okay? All right, here we go. All right, so here we go. What is it? There we go. Fail. Expected this. Equals this. Return. Test. Expected equal. What was the problem? Expected tag, actual tag, token. What's the 2 tokens here? What did I get wrong? What did I get wrong, baby? Seems so wrong. Because I'm doing this thing again, huh? Oh, why didn't that work? This should have just worked. Is that not it? Am I not specifying those? I some conjurer of cheap tricks. I'm not a conjurer of cheap tricks. Where's the multi-line? What's inside the tag unions here? I don't know. Something. Macro wizard. All right, so here's another question I don't understand about Zig yet. How do I print this thing? How do I say I have token whatever, right? I don't know how to do that. Const standard equals import. Oh my goodness. $sign me, dog. Where is my @ sign? How have I forgot where my @ sign is? Oh, no wonder I did that. Here. All right, compile error. All right, invalid. Yeah. See, I can't do Lexer token, so I don't know how to do that. Format any. Oh, you can do format any? Oh, debug print. Is debug print different than print? Debug print is what you're saying? And then I go any? Is that what you're trying to say? I gotta pee so bad. Let's see. Token, let's see. Expected token Lexer to equal... Okay, so right off the rip, I'm getting the wrong thing. Oh my goodness, I know exactly what... Oh my goodness, I am so stupid. I know exactly what happened. Oh my goodness. Okay, var lex equals that lex dot read char return lex. Okay, well, we did get illegal, okay? We did happen by accident to get illegal. I'm not particular. I don't know how to print things out. I don't know how to print this out. Why is that not printing anything out? Where's the prints? How do I print stuff? I don't see help. Is it swallowing my input? Is it var dump in your hard system out print? Is there a new line missing? No, this is a runtime print. Your code doesn't compile. But it's a test. I'm running a test. You're telling me that tests are... Oh, this is a... Oh. Are you sure these aren't running? I'm pretty sure these are running, dog.
Welcome to Costco.
I'm pretty sure these are running.
you.
Damn, you're still streaming. I know. I gotta go. Holy cow. Okay, we've been going too long. No capture. Okay, that's Rust. Print Zig. Test. No test. Debug warn? Why? Okay, hold on. Do I need to do warn? Is that what you're trying to say? Deprecated. I don't see help anywhere. Oh, help. Token equals void. Okay, so I got an equals. Wait, hold on. I got a equals. Let's see, and received, just to make sure. Any. Talk. All right. Hey, we're going somewhere here. I'm starting to kind of get this language. We received a token and we received an illegal. Well, that doesn't feel good. Standard log warn help. Next token. And then can we go any? And then can I go self? Can I just print out my entire self? That'd be great. Oh, yeah, look at that. All right, read positions 1, position 0, char 61. Okay, that's fine. 61 is, what the hell is 61? I never know. I know there's a way to do this. Wait, hold on. Can I go echo 61 to XD? Is that what it's called? RP? A. Did I get an A? Did I get that right? Did I just guess that all correct? 61 does look like an A. Am I crazy there? How's the LSP? The LSP is not great in Zig. The LSP really could use a buffing. I understand that it's difficult. I'm under no suspicions that it's easy. Let's see, help. Let's see, hold on. Read, char, bang me, daddy, and then let's do this. I don't know why there's a 1 there, but okay, we'll just take the 1. I like the beginning. Hold on, I don't like this one. I don't like this one. I do like this one, though. All right. Yeah, I know it equals A, but I don't understand. No, in switch. Sorry for caps. Wait, no in switch. No plus in switch. Wait, it clearly says that it returns token equals, but expected a token illegal. The other way. Yes, I know what it's saying. I just don't understand how that's possible. I'm trying to figure out why that's possible. All right, I just want to see what is this thing, because how am I getting an illegal log? How am I getting an illegal there? I don't understand how I'm getting illegal there. All right, here we go. What am I printing? What the hell is that thing? Wait, can I just use that? Can I use XXD or whatever it was called? XXD, RP, I don't know what that stands for. How did I get those? How did I get that? I don't even know where that's coming from. I swear I'm handing it this input. But I think I might need to understand a little bit more here. So we're going to have to take a little bit more. See? Learning adventure. We're learning as we talk. It's because you aren't writing it in Perl. Buffer overflow? No, it's in decimal. It could be in decimal. You're probably right. I think it could be in decimal. So new buffer dot from to string. Doesn't this work? This is the switch statement. What am I missing? Missing equal case. Travizon, dang it. Travizon, I also wanted to raid Purple Elf. I feel like I owe Travi a raid. I owe Travi a raid. Because he did do left pad faster than me. We'll raid Travi, okay? All right, he beat me at left pad, so we'll raid Travi, okay? Please, everybody say left pad these nuts, okay? Yeah, long stream. Yeah. It's never long enough. Thank you. I know. Everyone get in there. Get in there. Hey, thank you very much. I appreciate all this. This was a lot of fun. I had a good time, but I gotta go. I really gotta get it going, okay? What's the name? You know the name. Get my wife's name out your mouth. How'd I do? Was that a good Will Smith impersonation? Did I do it? Acetylene, thank you very much. Get my wife's name. What do you think about Helix? Helix these nights? Yeah, thank you. $5 a month. You get hours of entertainment. Needs more Montana? Yeah, we're gonna try. I'm just practicing everything. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? What do you think about Elixir? Elixir these nuts. Got him. All right, don't forget to spam this to Trevi. I gotta go though. I really gotta go. You get nothing. My voice. Isn't it because your wife is not bold? Wait, what? What? Going to Ryan Carniato? Oh, Ryan.